I am EA7 Grant, owner of the BMW 335i and F30 body. I posted a video a few years ago of me driving by with a newer exhaust system, suspension, and just demonstrating the sounds and overall the look of the car, and over the last few years it got very popular. So I decided not to lose the momentum and take advantage of that and take it even more further, create a project about this specific car, and talk about the tunes, mods I've done to this, some DIYs, and overall share joy of owning this car. There is a link to the new YouTube channel for this project. Make sure you follow the link, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I hope you enjoy the content. I hope I influence people to buy the right car for themselves, do mods, do tunes, and just enjoy their ride. So F30 community, and specifically for 335i or 340i, is pretty big here in the United States, and I'm trying to figure out the way how I could become a part of this. I live in Southern California, and again, I hope you enjoy the content I produce. Have a great time, everyone. Enjoy. Everyone stay safe, happy, and take care of yourselves.